And the popular, powerful weight loss drugs that actually work are getting a lot of attention, but are claims that the drugs are also behind a rise in visits to emergency rooms accurate as well? Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins looks into this.
We know Ozempic, Wegovy, and Mounjaro work for weight loss. The diabetes medications containing semiglutide, which tricks the brain into thinking it's full, have been on the market for a decade. Search social media for side effects and you don't have to look far. But a New York Post article says there's also been a rise in emergency room visits relating to these drugs. Even quoting a story I did about a woman who took Ozempic and suffered blurred vision issues. Cleveland Clinic tells me they have seen an uptick in ER visits related to persistent vomiting with some of these diet medications. Some people had to be admitted for observation. Amy Schumer reportedly quit taking Ozempic because it made her weak and fatigued. Bottom line, these drugs aren't for everyone.
It's very important when you start a patient on this medicine to get their background. If this is somebody who has a lot of heartburn, who has chronic constipation, who has IBS type symptoms, you might tread a little lighter, or perhaps you might pick a different kind of medication to use.
Another concern is people getting the drugs from questionable sources. Because of the cost and shortages, some are using compounding pharmacies to create a similar product.
We can't vouch for who is making them, the purity. So if I had a patient ask me that, I would much prefer they get an FDA regulated product that I can vouch for the purity of.
If you want it, make sure you're getting it under medical supervision. And remember, this isn't a short fix. Once you start taking it, you have to stay on it for it to work. Because these drugs are meant to be taken long term, which may be difficult for those with no insurance coverage because they can cost up to $1,000 or more a month. The common nausea, vomiting, bloating, diarrhea, those are common side effects, and they usually dissipate the longer the patient is taking the drug. But there are reports of pancreatitis, kidney failure, gallstones, and other more serious issues that could be connected as well, which is why you need to get these under a health professional supervision. Christy.
Very good point. All right, Monica Robbins, we appreciate it so much. Thanks.